Hi friends, this is a video series on aptitude. Basically, it is a video series on numerical ability and not verbal ability. This is only numerical ability video series. So what is generally aptitude? Aptitude is solving general problems with or without use of formulae. This numerical ability is of solving general problems with or without use of formulae. We can solve with use of formulae or without use of formulae. We can solve without use of formulae because these aptitude problems are general problems we encounter in our life. So even without knowing the formula, we can solve problems of numerical ability. So what are these problems? These problems we encounter directly in our daily life. For example, we can see that if we go to a shop and there is a 10% discount. Suppose there is a 10% discount on a product and the MRP is, for example, say 100 rupees. If it is 100 rupees and the discount is 10%, we actually calculate the price we need to pay by deducting the discount. What is 10% of 100? It is 10 rupees. So we will be getting 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is the price we need to pay at the counter, right? This is a problem, right? This problem we have encountered in our daily life. So these type of problems are called numerical ability problems or aptitude problems. But as this is at this aptitude, numerical ability is a branch of mathematics. But in general, in engineering mathematics, we solve problems related to our profession or study, which means we are studying engineering here. Suppose we are uh, specifically we are studying engineering, and in this engineering we use integration, differentiation, and partial differentiation. We use these types of operations in every subject based on engineering, like heat transfer mechanics, etc. So aptitude aptitude numerical aptitude is a branch of engineering mathematics is a branch of mathematics. So in aptitude there will be verbal ability also. In verbal ability we deal with only English, which is useful in our daily life. Aptitude means daily life problems. It may be numerical, it may be verbal, but we are dealing only numerical ability in this video series. So what are the topics to be covered in the numerical ability video course? So first one is sets and Venn diagrams. The questions from this sets and Venn diagrams are directly not asked in GATE, but these are useful in solving the probability problems. But sometimes these questions can be asked directly in the GATE. And then linear equations, this is important, and percentages, profit and loss, these two are related. Simple interest and compound interest, these questions are asked frequently. Ratios and proportion, alligations and mixtures, these are also relative subjects. And time and work, this is very important. And pipes and cisterns may also be asked in this. Pipes and cisterns, these two are related each other. And speed, distance and time, these are very easy problems we can solve. Numerical series and sequences, this is a very vast subject that only basics are taught here. Only basics are taught, and you should solve many problems so that you get an idea how to solve various types of problems. And permutations and combinations, this probability and permutation and combination are related to each other. There is data sufficiency, like In order to get one answer, we need two or more options. With one statement, we can get the answer. With more number of statements also, we can get the answer. This type of problems are solved in data sufficiency and data interpretation. This is also very important. In this, graphs are given, and we need to solve. For example, this is the graph given, and this is years. This is the turnover of a company. From this, it is said to calculate the difference between maximum turnover and minimum turnover. If you see from this graph, this is the maximum turnover, right? And this is the minimum turnover. The difference between this is maximum minus minimum turnover is this one. So these type of problems are solved in data interpretation. If you study the probability in mathematics, this probability in aptitude also gets covered. And these are the topics we are going to cover in this lecture series. So subscribe this channel so that you get the updates when I upload a new video. Thank you.